Hi guys, it's Anarina TV. Nakapagtanong ako kay Sue Ramirez at Yolo Pascual nung umattend ako ng MediaCon ng The Kingdom. Pakinggan natin ang mga sagot nila sa tanong ko.
So I understand na yung character mo dito ay isang mabait na anak, which is very admirable. So with that being said, ano naman yung ayaw mo sa character mo?
Okay. Kung meron akong isang bagay siguro na ayaw sa character ko, it's her being naive. Hindi naman masamang maging naive, no? Pero to the extent na parang sobrang sheltered kasi dahil lumaki ako sa kaharian, alam mo, hindi ko talaga alam kung ano ba talagang nangyayari outside of the gates. Typical yung kwento ni Luwalhati until an unfortunate event happens. And then, mamumulat siya dun sa mundo na hindi niya kilala. Na wow, hindi ko alam na meron palang ganito. So, siguro if there's one thing that I don't think it's her being sheltered and naive.
And another question is, if you could switch roles sa ibang mga characters dito, kanino yun?
Kay Zion. Wala, I love Ryan Luwalhati. I've grown to love my character. I don't think ipagpapalit ko siya sa kahit anong character dito. And I think everybody did so well with their own characters. I wouldn't want to take yung galing na in-offer nila doon para sa akin.
Thank you. And for Mr. Papa P na lang.
Mr. Papa P.
From watching yung the making ng The Kingdom, parang napakaseryoso po nung role nyo, you're an outcast, rebel, ganyan. So, ang tanong ko naman po, meron po ba kayong light moment dito? Kasi parang may impression is parang pasan nyo ang daigdig dito.
I guess it'll be too much to say pag in-explain ko pa what he had to go through to get what he wanted. So I don't want to preempt it and say na there are definitely light moments but kasama sa journey ng character nila.
And same with Miss Sue, if you could switch roles, kanino?
Sa lakas.
Oh, yun naman. Thank you po.